My name is Aditya Trivedi. I am from class 6th. Now we discuss about the motion. The motion is a change with time of the position with a body with respect of a time with body. And there are four type of motion. First is rectilinear, second is curvilinear, third is circular, and fourth is periodic. The rectilinear definition is motion of an object moving in a straight line is called rectilinear motion. You can see here in a picture boy riding a bicycle in a straight line, so it is rectilinear motion. Second, the curvilinear motion. Motion of an object along curved path is called curvilinear. You can see in a picture it is all race in a curved path is called curvilinear motion. In a third, curvilinear motion. Circular motion. Motion of an object along two circular path is called circular motion.
Yes.
And you can see in picture the car is ride in a circular moving along this circular path is called circular motion. The fourth is periodic motion. Motion of an object repeating itself in a same time interval is called periodic motion. You can see in a picture the earth is rounding the sun in the same time interval is called, so it is called the periodic motion.
Same period.